Welcome back. Before we move on here, instead of writing paragraph, 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 what we're going to be doing is just simply copying in some Latin text here, and that's what most people do. So I've gone to this website up at the top, which you can see, and I'm just going to simply paste it in here, and that actually seems like quite a bit. But so I'm probably going to take away half of it. It doesn't really matter what the text is. We're just simply making something that will look good. All right. The next thing we need to do is we have this div tag of column one, and what we need to do now is copy and paste this once. And when you copy and paste, I'm going to go ahead and change this to column 2 right away and this to column 2. So column 1, column 2, and I want to make sure that I'm not making any big mistakes. So, and then I'm just going to simply have column 3 and then column 3. Now, you're wondering, well, these don't look like columns now, do they? These just look like text. Well, you're right, but remember that we have to, in order to make this work, in order to make this really work, what we need to do is add in the CSS to make it work. This concludes the tutorial.